Hello everyone, welcome to Gogetmyguru. In this video, we are discussing the Flask tutorial for beginners in Python. Before going to the concept of Flask tutorial for beginners in Python, let's have a look at agenda of today's session. Then agenda of today's session is like this. First, we are discussing Introduction to Web Framework and then Introduction to Flask. As the agenda says, now we are discussing Introduction to Web Framework. Then, what is Web Framework? Simply, Web Framework or Web Application Framework is a set of libraries or modules that enables web application developers to develop applications without worrying about low-level specifics like protocols and thread management. The next is Introduction to Flask. Then what is Flask? Flask is Python-based web application platform and it is created by Armin Roncher and it is a open source software so that we can install whenever we want. Then International Community of Python experts named as POCO. The Flask is created by using WSGI toolkit and Jinja2 template engine. And then next is what is Web Server Gateway Interface. The Web Server Gateway Interface has become the industry standard for developing Python web applications, and the Web Server Gateway Interface is specification for universal interface between web server and web application. Then next, what is Werkzeug? It is WSGI toolkit that handles request and response object and other common tasks. This makes it to create web application on top of it. Werkzeug is one of the foundation of the Flask system. Then
please
what is
subscribe to our
Jinja2?
channel
Jinja2
to
is
support
popular
us.
Python templating engine. To make dynamic web pages, a web templating framework combines a template with specific data. So guys, in next video, we will be discussing how to install Flask in VS Code. Keep watching. Thank you.
Please do like, give feedback and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us.